Hello students, good morning. Especially for the 11th standard students, first class in accounts after the orientation. So accounts means what? There is nothing is there, just a calculation. I minus E is equal to P. So you'll be thinking that is there any equation? There is no equation. So I means income minus E means expenditure. So I minus E is equal to the balance whatever we'll get, that we call it as profit. Okay students, so this is the simple equation which we followed in accounts. That's all, nothing is there, only addition and subtraction format only we will be using. Okay, so that will be in different way. First, introduction of accounts. Accounts means what? See, every organization, they have to carry their activities to run the business, to meet their expenses. So today each and everything is involved in the exchange of money or money's worth. So that is the meaning of introduction to accounts. So every business organization or need the transactions which can be involved in the medium of money or money's worth. Okay students. Now next, what do you mean by accounts? Accounts is nothing but a language of business. Okay, it is otherwise called as communication. Communication means what? Passing the information from one person to another person. That is called as communication. So here the accounts we call it as, it is also one among the facilitate communication. So where and all we are using. So I have underlined some words. So just to see carefully. Proprietors. Proprietor means one who started the business, the owner of the business. Owner is a simple word. The accounts word we call it as proprietor. Suppose if a female is the owner of the business means TRIX we'll add, proprietrix. Okay students. Then second one is the management. Then that one you know. Then investor. Investor is a new word for you. A person, one who investing money for interest purpose. Such a persons are called as investors. Then customers you know, or otherwise called as consumers. They are the kings of the business and the government. Okay. Then the early period of accounts, that means the evolution of accounting. See, in 1494, Luca Pacioli only introduced. Actually, he was an Italian. So he developed the first double entry system during the 18th and the 19th centuries. Then after then, slowly, in the period of 20th century, the decision has been spread the branches of accounting. Okay students, so this is the introduction part over. Now next we are going the definition of accounts. So just to mark it as important, section B, define accounting. Accounting means it's a systematic process of identifying. Identifying means first we have to identify, first to see, then measuring. We are calculating no plus minus, that is called as measuring. Then recording, we have to recapitulate that one. Then classifying, so we have to divide into that how much is income and expenditure. Then summarizing, preparing a notes, how much I have spent. And interpreting and communicating financial information. So this is the definition. Again I am repeat. Accounting is a systematic process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting and communicating financial information. Okay students. Now next we are going the definition of American Marketing Association. See, in USA, the chartered accountant will be called as public accountant. So only in India we call it as chartered accountant. The same, if you wanted to do chartered accountant in USA means you are called as certified public accountant. That is a separate designation has been given. So according to the American Marketing Association, so they defined as accounting is a process of identifying, measuring, communicating economic information to perform the judgments and decisions by the users of the information. Okay, students. So introduction of accounts, then evaluation, who has introduced the system, which period, then slowly definition of accounts, then one more definition also we have discussed today, that is according to the American Marketing Association. So just to go through this again, we'll continue in the next class, students. Thank you and good day to you.